Hello everyone, welcome back. Welcome back with the second Sudoku in this additional of today's newspaper on Wednesday, August the 12th, 2020. The second Sudoku, a two-star Sudoku. This Sudoku will be number 1333. 1333, yes. And before I start, I always count the printed numbers in this Sudoku. Previous one has 27, so I think this one has 26. 3 plus 3 is 6 plus 2 is equal to 8, plus 2 is 10, 12. Plus 3 is 15, plus 4 is 19, plus 4 is 23, plus 3 is 26. Correct. So let's get started. We have a 6 in this row, a 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in that row. So the row between, the only place for the 6 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 6. That is not so good. Then we continue with another digit. How about the number 3 and 1, 2, 3, 9. Yes. In this big square, 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers is the 1 and the 2. In this column we have a 1 and a 2. So in these two boxes cannot be the 1 and the 2. The 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes. Let me mark them for you. It's a pair. The other two boxes left are reserved for the numbers 9 and 3. We have a 9 here, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and 3 goes there. So we have a 3 in this column, a 3 in that column. So in the middle column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. And then a 2 in one of those two boxes in the last row, a 2 in a row above. So in that row, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then we have a pair. I see here 2 in the third column, same with the 6 in the third column. Here 2 in the second column, same like the 6 in the second column. So in the first column, the only two places for the 2 and the 6 are in these two boxes. So the 2 and the 6 goes in as a pair in these two boxes. Alright, I do not know in which order, so I mark this for you. It's a pair. How about the following number? Yeah. 3, 2 in this row, 2 in the third row, So in the second row, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 4 in this column, the 4 in the second column? So the third column, the only place for the 4 should be there. In this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers. In this big square, one of the missing numbers 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 3 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in those 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. Then 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4, therefore should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 4. I need to wait. How about, yeah, in this big square, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is an 8. Let me say 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 9. We have an 8 and a 9 in the middle column, so no 8 and a 9 in these 3 boxes. So the 8 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 8 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. So these 3 missing numbers are the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the 7. 157, 157. So we have a 1 in this column, in the middle column. So this cannot be a 1 anymore. This should be a 2, and this should be a 1. Yes. So 175. That means 1 box left in the middle column. This should be the number 175. It should be the 9. No, 9 we have here. 1, 7, 5, 2, 3, 4. Well, what number is this? 9 is 1. No, 1 we have here. 1, 7, 5. 6. This should be a 6. Yes, we have you 6. Alright, I needed a 6 because we have a 6 in this column, 6 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see here 6, no 6 there, 6 should be there. Now I have a 6 here, so this cannot be a 6 anymore. This should be the 6. And this should be the 2. Well. And all the 6's are used. I can see. Yes. Digit number 1. 2 in this column. 2 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see. Digit number 2. 1 number left in this column for the number 5, I believe. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and the 8 are missing. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 8 in this row, 8 in the middle row, so on the row below. The only two places for the 8 here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in the third column, 8 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in that row, so in the row between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used, I can see. Yes, alright. Alright. Two numbers left in the first column, the 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 3 and 9. We see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 9 goes there. So we have a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 3 places for the 9 should be here, here, or there. We see here 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for the 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 4. And then, how about the number? These two numbers in the first row, the 7 and the 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 7 goes there. So we have a 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used, I can see. Digit number 5. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 5 and 1. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and a 1 goes there. One number left in the second row for the number 7. Then Alright. How about the number these 3 numbers? Can I fill this yet? 1, 7, and 5 is missing. 1, 7, and 5. I see here 5. No, I cannot fill this yet. How about these? These should be also 1, 7, and 5. 1, 7, and 5 also. Wow. 1, 7, 5, and the 3. Yes. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 1. We see here 1, so No one in these two boxes. The one could be here or could be there. Then it's the 7 and the 5. This cannot be a 1. Yeah. 1, 7, 5 and 3. 3, 3, 3, 3. Yes. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 5, so no 5 there. 5 should be there, and the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left, the 1 and the 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 1 number left in this column for the number 7. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in the third column for the numbers 1 and 5. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this big square for the number 7. 1 number left in this row for the number 1. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 3. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 3 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Alright, great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this video, and I will see you in a moment, in a minute, with the third Sudoku. In this additional, it will be a 4-star Sudoku, this one. Yes, so see you later. Bye bye for now.